Okay, so I bought this is a wireless doorbell. So the purpose I bought this is in case of an emergency and I'm upstairs in my room and I don't know what's going on. My parents can press this button and it'll send me the signal. So this is actually plug. So you can see you plug this into your wall. I would advise you to plug it in the nearest. So this is right into my bed. So what I'm gonna do now is the idea is when my parents press this button, I should be able to hear this and run down if it's an emergency, or if somebody's downstairs, I need to come down. So you just press this button. So as you can see, it's pretty good. Let me show you again. Now it's quiet, and this is a sound, and you can change the tunes and that, and you can see it's really quiet. So I'm just gonna increase the sound. There, can you see? Hello. And if I want to change it, hello. So the way it works, you can change the tune and I want to change another tune. And if I'm happy with that one, just press again. It works, by the way, wireless, so it's wireless. And if I'm not happy, there you go. It works. It's good for the price. It's not bad, and there's more that you can buy with too. So this is just, I bought this as an experiment. It's really good, and I'm gonna keep this. So in an emergency, I would recommend. And it's good for children because children will love it. It's got Christmas tones in here, nursery rhymes. So it's pretty cool. It's legit. Let me just show you some more.